forward 5.
You on the open decks at this time, you may want to cover your ears. Again, we'll be sounding our ship's horn from the forward funnel, and for those of you that are on the open decks at this time, you may want to cover your ears. Thank you for your attention.
May I have your attention, please? This is the officer of the watch speaking from the bridge. At the end of this announcement, we will be sounding our ship's whistle. We recommend to our guests on the open decks to cover your ears.